Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Word package from the UiPath Manage Package Store. For this, in the Activities panel, if you search for Word, you can't see any activities which are related to Word. So for this, click on the Manage Packages and click on Official, and in the search box, click for Word. So you can see uipath.word.activities. Click on this and click on this drop down and select latest version. So click on install and click on save. So now what packages is going to install in your UiPath. Again, in the activities panel, search for Word. So here you can see all the activities which are related to Word. You can add picture to a Word, you can append text, and you can insert data table, or you can read the text from Word. So these all are activities in Word automation. Thank you. Please do subscribe.